The Center for Health Innovation is a transdisciplinary community academic partnership that seeks to improve the health of the communities of Long Island through novel research, evaluation, education, and engagement. CHI is organized around three unique initiatives that we feel really encompass community health. The first one is Community Engaged Disaster Preparedness and Resiliency. The second one is Raising a Healthy Class of 2035. And the third one is Healthy Aging across Long Island, with the ultimate goal of improving health in all of our communities across Long Island.
After Hurricane Sandy came through Long Island, we had enormous amounts of damage. And what we saw is we needed to find a way to make our communities more resilient. Adelphi University is on the cutting edge with this initiative because we are looking at community resiliency through the human side of it. The Adelphi Community Resiliency Grant Program put forth a modest amount of money for communities to compete for, to be given that money to supplement their emergency management programs that are mostly volunteer. From there, we gave them subject matter experts, training, as well as public information training to be able to make their communities more resilient.
The Nassau Thrives project is a collaborative partnership between the Adelphi University Institute for Parenting, the Child Care Council of Nassau, and Docs for Tots. It's funded by a social services block grant that is earmarked for addressing the psychological needs of young children post Superstorm Sandy. Children can learn to cope with these kinds of disasters, but they really do need help from the important adults in their life to soothe and settle them and help get them back on a better developmental trajectory. Helping them find better ways to cope will, in the long run, help them be more school ready, ready to learn, and be able to be those healthy kids graduating in 2035.
Our second theme is Raising a Healthy Class of 2035. And by this, we mean that every baby born in 2017 across Long Island will have the best chance of being healthy and productive from the time they're born to their young adulthood.
The partnership we have with Adelphi University is that Adelphi and Freeport School District work hand in hand on one of the biggest physical education grants in the country. The goals of the PEP grant are to, one, have our students become more physically fit, two, have our students make better choices as far as nutrition, and three, to help our students manage their stress.
These children are now taking part in activities such as yoga, planting gardens, and thinking about and talking about their activity levels and nutrition habits. We hope that this grant and their opportunities will help in combating childhood obesity, that it'll allow the habits of being active and eating right to carry over into their adult lives.
The third initiative that CHI has is Healthy Aging. We want to be sure that we're ready to take care of that population and for people to be comfortable and safe aging here in Long Island with their families around them.
So you are getting students involved, you're getting them involved, you're getting them interested in school.
In many ways, the Center for Health Innovation is our 21st century launch, building on the foundation created in the 19th and 20th centuries.
Why would students that you're teaching enjoy?
It's a natural outgrowth of all these initiatives in a sort of a culminating way that I think helps us launch a whole new era of health education, health science, health service.
The thing that I'm most proud of about the Center for Health Innovation is that we are enabling and empowering communities to be strong themselves.